As Lexington prepares for the first major winter storm of the season, community leaders are outlining how they plan to keep the city and the people in it safe ahead of the storm.
This is a situation where we definitely want to plan for the worst and hope for the best.
Bracing for impact is the best way to put it. At Friday's news conference, Rob Larkin, Lexington's Director of Emergency Management, saying Lexington officials will be closely watching the forecast with a winter storm watch beginning at 4 a.m. Sunday.
Update your home and vehicle emergency kits. Include warm blankets, extra clothes, food, water, etc.
Mayor Linda Gorton says the city is ready, but will be even more prepared for future storms.
We're putting the finishing touches on our new salt barn, which can hold over 4,500 tons of salt.
A common thread between all of the local leaders comes down to two words: stay home. Fire and police officials say they're fully staffed with additional help on standby if needed, and they're urging people who are at home, especially those using alternative heat sources, to stay vigilant.
Space heaters need to be at least 3 feet away from any combustible. This time of year, it is critically important. Check your smoke alarms, check your carbon monoxide detectors.
The city is also operating under an emergency winter weather plan, making sure the homeless population in Lexington isn't left out in the cold. That plan is expected to remain in effect through next week.
What that plan does, all of our homeless shelters extend their capacity and their services so that they're not turning people away. The work is being done now to get as many of those folks off the streets as possible.
You can stay up to date with the city's winter weather updates by visiting lexingtonky.gov/snow updates. And of course, you can get the latest weather headlines using the Fox 56 Weather Authority app. In Lexington, Jay Sobardo, Fox 56 News.